$40, right? No, I'm not going with the dry stuff. Can I get some salad dressing?
If you want some, put some salad dressing.
Good though.
Oh my god! And you guys, he's just saying, oh my god, this is hella good. Sean, eat your $20 worth of chips. I'm gonna piss my pants, dude. Oh, I got tears all in my eyes.
I don't know if I can swallow.
How do you think cows do it? They got that extra cud. Oh my god. But is it that bad?
It tastes like shit. Dude, he's gonna hurl all over your camera.
Spit it out. I'll give you 20 then if you can't swallow it.
It's fucking dry.
It's worth 20 for me to just watch this shit. God, I got snot and tears coming out of my face from this.
Dude, you are crying.
Are you okay?
Look at it, fucking green running down his fucking cheek. Oh, look at the juices.
I'm gonna have to go home. I'm about ready to piss my pants. Alright, we're a minute and a half into this. How much do you have left in your mouth?
Did you just snot coming out of his nose? Did you swallow?
I haven't swallowed the grass. That's worth 40.